Hello everyone, I'm Shiko Yulia, and today we are going to talk about population. Let's look at the general indicator population, population pyramid, and consider some employment indicators. These diagrams illustrate a general situation of population in Kazakhstan, and how we can see during 1991 to 2025, we can see unstable line of our population. The population declined steadily from 1991 to 2002 and has seen steadily growth since 2003. And here we can see persistent rise. This diagram shows population, divide population by gender, and how we can see the number of women is greater than men. It should be noted that more women live in cities than men, and if we compare women and men in the rural area, we can see that in this zone, men live often than women. And estimation urban and rural population through time, we can see that urban population has constant growth. Rural population also increase, but if we compare urban and rural population by percentage, we can see that in 2008, rural population was approximately 44%, and in 2025, this indicator is 37%. And decreasing of rural population, it's a world trend. In all countries, the share of rural population is decreasing. Here we can see population pyramid. Population pyramid is a graphical illustration of the distribution of the population by the age groups and sex. I took two periods. It is 2009 and 2024 years. Here we can see diagram that divide all population of Kazakhstan by women and men. This pyramid should show a steady decrease. We can see unevenness, and this unevenness have roots. These roots based on other political, economical events. For example, here we can see that this age group is smaller than, for example, previous age group. That is, for pyramid, it's unusual. And this age group, it's because these people from this age group were born during the Second World War, because their number is smaller than, for example, previous generations. Also, we can see decrease population in this age group, decreasing based on establishment of independence of our country, and the main two reasons, it was decline of birth rate and migration of population to other countries. And after that, we can see rise of population, and this due to of increasing of birth rate. And this diagram a bit different than previous. And here we can see that number of people in this age group increase slightly, not sharply, like for example here in this. Here we can see stable age group, stable number of people in this age group. And also we can see stable increase of population, mainly due to increase of birth rate and stability of number of people in this age group based on life expectancy. Life expectancy increase from 2010 to 2024. It was 68 years life expectancy, and in 2024 it's 75 years. Let's consider age-sex pyramid other countries. For example, Ethiopia, New Zealand, Japan. Here we can see three different society. First diagram illustrates stable growth of natality, how we can see here, and low lifespan. The measure of this society is made up of young people. This pyramid characterized for poor development countries with high level of birth rate and low lifespan. Second diagram is New Zealand. Here we can see stable birth rate and also high level of life expectancy. And the majority of this society is made up of adult people. And third diagram, we can see it's Japan. And here we can see that there is decline in the birth rate and high lifespan. And here we can see that society is characterized like aging society. Let's consider population pyramid and employment. I selected working age population here from 16 years to retirement age of people, and here number of 10.7 million of people in Kazakhstan, and this is approximately 67% from all people. And how many hours of employment does Kazakhstan's economy provide? For this, we necessary to provide how many hours have work age population. In general, first step, we necessary to consider how many hours have all people in Kazakhstan. For this, we 24 hours multiply with 7 days a week, and multiply with 52 weeks, we get 8,736 hours years for one person. And this number was necessary to multiply with all population in Kazakhstan. It's approximately 16 million, and we get 139.6 billion hours per year for all population. Next step, we necessary to consider how many hours working age population work. For this, we necessary 8 hours per day of work, multiply with 5 days a week. We get standard working week, and this we multiply with 52 weeks per year, and we get 2,080 hours per year of work for one working age person, and this number we necessary multiply with this, and we get 22.3 billion hours per year. And so we can see that only 16% of time population of Kazakhstan provide all economic of our country. And let's compare this year, indicators of this year with 2024 year. And here we can see that working age population 11.6 million, and this is 58.1% of all population in Kazakhstan. We can see decrease this group, working age group. We can determine all time for all population in Kazakhstan, for all people, multiply this number with 20 million, and we get 165 billion hours per year for all population. And next step, we need to calculate how many hours of work have working age population. And this number, 2080 hours, we necessary multiply with 11.6 million, and we get 24.1 billion hours per year, and it's 13.8% from all time of all people in Kazakhstan. Here we necessary compare GDP and employment, and this we get two indicators. This working age population that we see in previous diagram. This working age population, these theoretical people that theoretical can work, and here we can see real working population according to StatGov.kz, and this a bit less than theoretical number of working age population. And here we can estimate GDP per hour worked. P in 2024 was $291.18 billion, and the necessary GDP divide with hours of work, and we get $12.1 per hour, or 5,672 tenge per hour. And if we calculate these indicators with real working population, we see that hours of work decrease, and it's approximately 11% of time of population. And this if we GDP divide with this number, we can get with real hours of work, our population, we can get $15.2 per hour. And in other words, 1 hour of work in Kazakhstan equal $15.2